In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Telegram. Whether you're on the mobile app, the desktop app, or the web version, the process is simple and consistent. Start by opening Telegram. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top for the search bar with the magnifying glass icon. That's your gateway to finding people, conversations, public groups, channels, and bots without scrolling through everything manually. Tap or click that search bar to begin. Now type what you're looking for. You can enter a person's name, a username that starts with the @ symbol, a keyword from a conversation or topic, or even a phone number. As you type, Telegram shows results in real time. You'll see your matching contacts and existing chats first, and below that, publicly available groups, channels, and bots related to your search. This helps you quickly switch between finding someone you already know and discovering public content on a topic. Usernames are especially powerful for precise results. If you know a person's or channel's exact handle, type it with the @ symbol. Search is not case-sensitive, and the @ symbol helps Telegram target handles directly. Keep in mind that not everyone has a public username, and not all users can be found by phone number, depending on their privacy settings. If a phone number search doesn't return a result, it may simply mean the account isn't discoverable that way. If you're looking for a public group or channel, you don't need the exact title. Type the full or partial name and let Telegram suggest matches. Adding a more specific keyword can narrow down a popular topic. When you see a result that looks right, you can open it to check the description or recent posts to make sure it's the one you want. Public channels typically show recent messages, and public groups show a preview, so you can confirm the topic and community before proceeding. When you've found what you need, tap or click the result to open it. For an existing chat or contact, this takes you straight into your conversation. For public channels, you'll see their content immediately. For public groups, you'll see the group's info and recent activity so you can confirm it's relevant. That's all there is to it. Open Telegram, use the search bar at the top, type a name, username, keyword, or phone number. Review the matching contacts, chats, public groups, channels, or bots, and open the result you want. With these basics, you can find what you need quickly and confidently across any Telegram platform.